that's that nigga again, hella nigga again, back on business again. Ay, handle your business, young man, how you do all that shit independent and win. Ay, count up them digits again, every month I get residuals in. And for the hustlers, stack all that shit that come in and take care of your mama, take care of your children, take care of your niggas, stay out that drum.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Back again with another banger. So, I know y'all seen my last day. You know, they hit me with stuff. It fell off in one day. So, we back again today doing something new. So, first I start off with wiping my nails and clipping them. Because, you know, my nails are long. And then we're going to go into, you know, clipping the dead skin that I didn't clip off in the last video. Get Gucci and poppy. Alright, so then I'm gonna buff my nails so the glue can stick better and your nails can last longer. Just a little tip if you ain't know, shawty. If you ain't know. Alright, and then we're gonna select the nails and slice them from each nail before we glue them on, because we don't want no mistakes. We want this to just go effortlessly. Then we're going to take a small bead of gel and then we're going to spread it all over the nail so it's coated evenly and it's going to stick better. Alright, so what I will say is make sure you gluing these mugs on straight, because you know you don't want them to be crooked like mine. So you know, baby, I ain't noticed that till I glued them on. It was too late. Alright, so I decided to do this little nude brown color, you know, not something too much in this glitter gold, you know, just something cute and pretty and simple. You know, we don't gotta do too much. It's core skin, baby. Who gonna see him? Alright, so if you do mess up like I messed up right there, make sure you get it off as quick as possible so you don't have to go in with nail polish remover and then mess up your nails trying to, you know, get the color off. You can just get it off right away with a Q-tip. So this is the finished look, you know, nothing too slight, you know, that's what I was saying about my nail being crooked. But if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and I see you when I see you, baby, period. No, but before I end this video, do y'all pinky be doing that? Like, I used to play basketball, my pinky got jammed. Now it's just crooked, I can't even control that mug. For real though, like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, baby, and I see you when I see you, baby, for real this time.
Snapchat, throw that back.